Where do I begin to plant the seed of the love that I desire? Is in this video, this is what happened. She said, I can't find a lover. I've been looking and searching for a lover. I can't find a lover. Have you ever caught yourself saying, I just can't find a lover? Have you? Well, I can tell you one thing. I am Tessa-Marie, and I created the 5 pillars of prosperity. And you said to me, you can't find a lover. I don't get that though, because love isn't a missing socks under the couch or stuck in the dryer or in the washer. Finding someone to love you with becoming someone who loves. That is the contrast, you know. You said you can't find a lover, like you're looking for something you lost, or you're supposed to go digging into the trash to find a lover. As I said, it's not a sock. So use the contrast in your words. Finding someone to love you with becoming someone who loves. You just flip it. I am becoming someone who will love others. I want to love. I want to show what love is. I want to express to others what is the true meaning of love. I want to show others what love is by loving them. It's all emotional based. It's the pillar of emotional prosperity, this love thing. And it can just sometimes cause havoc in your life. Our words are our prophecies. So when we speak and we say, for example, I need to find a lover, or I can't find a lover, those words are being scripted in our reality. We're always going to have to say, I can't find a lover, because that's what you're saying. You're not going to get anything else. Our words are our prophecies of our future. They are our destiny. So it's not about ordering coffee. Or is it ordering coffee versus ordering love? So you're vague. I want a lover. I just want a coffee. You'd get served the coffee. So don't be vague with your words. Vague words gives vague results. Challenge yourself. I need a lover. 2, I am ready to grow love with someone. Change it around. You don't need a lover, but you're prepared to grow in love with somebody else. So that's what you need though. So reframe everything you desire. My need is to understand others, not to be understood by others. That is it. You want to serve first and then get it. Self-love is emotional. Signal that attracts compatible energy. It's an emotional signal. If you love yourself, you're sending a message out there. This woman cares for herself. This man loves himself. So that brings you back the same type of thing. Short exercise in the mirror all the time is important when you're going to find the love of your life. Look into your mirror, your camera, and say, I'm a loving presence. Look in there. Smile at yourself. You know that I am a loving presence. So that's what you must do. Attract it physically, hand to heart, and breathe. 3 deep breaths in and out. And do a 30-second gratitude. I am worthy of love because I can give love. I have love to give. I will attract through the giving of my love, the love coming to others. Do that. Work on it. Encourage others to feel about themselves, how they feel, how deep the love is. You do it yourself. You enjoy loving you. Sends a signal to the world that you are ready to accept love. You will attract whatever you are If you're loving and caring to yourself, you will attract loving and caring. It will come. The people that needs to be there because they have the same need and the desire, and they will find you as you find them. You do not have to go seeking. It's not a lost thing. It's a behavior from yourself that sends a signal to the world that you are ready to give love. And guess what? Somebody will accept it and they will give it back to you. If you're looking for someone to be a speaker at any of your events that you're planning, get in touch with me. My email address is right here, and you can contact me, and I would love to give you more about making life choices to you or any of the topic on living a fulfilled life. Have a great day. So let's look at this. You are changing your words. You're shifting your paradigm. You are saying, I am loving me. I love me. You're affirming it. You're keeping a journal. You're writing about how will you love yourself, how you care for yourself. And you're going about your everyday business. And you've been doing this now for a week. On the 7th day of having decided to love, affirm, be grateful for you and loving you completely, take a sit back and look at that week you just went through and decide, what did you do? How did it start on Monday? Was it scary when you changed your vocabulary? You met your friend for lunch on Tuesday. Did you tell her that you're still seeking love, that you're looking to find someone to love? Because that was your conversation. But she beat you to it. She said, so did you find the love you're looking for yet? In a very low tone. And then you smiled and said, no. I am concentrating on creating love within me. I am concentrating of showering myself with love, emotionally, mentally, physically, spiritually, and financially. She dropped her fork in the plate and her knife in the plate, and she said, what? You are talking like that? I thought you were busy finding love. Ever since I know you, you've been finding love, looking for somebody to love you. And she said, you know, what changed? The 5 pillars of prosperity changed me. I came across this book. Somebody was using it on the subway and I saw it and I looked at the names and just intrigued me. So I decided I would get it. I ordered it from Amazon and I started to read it. It's very simple. My copy is a few days old and it's wrinkled and tattered. And I found out, for me to attract the love that I desire, I must be that to myself first. So I have no need to go find it. I am already it. And that is what makes the difference. So I journal, I changed my words, I shifted my paradigm. I am worthy of love, so I'm going to give myself the love I want to give myself. And I've been doing this for the entire week. And now today, you're sitting here by yourself and you're going over this conversation with your friend. How did it go? Shock, amazement, and then she looked at you quizzically and she said, you know, I like the new you. Keep it up. That sealed the deal for you. And you said, I have no intention of letting it go. I am willing to grow love with another person. For me to grow the love, I need to plant the seed. Where do I begin to plant the seed of the love that I desire? Is in me. I am going to give myself that love. I have no need to look for it outside of me. But just like you notice the vibrancy and the attitude of all my pillars, how they're working, others will. And that love that I'm seeking will no longer have to be found by me. That love will pull themselves into me and we can grow together. So I have cleaned up my emotional state on depending on somebody to make me feel love. Mentally, I am learning new things. I'm curious. Physically, I'm watching what I eat. I'm taking care of me. Spiritually, I'm accepting the person I am, and all of the universe is fine. And financially, I don't need to spend money to buy lots of clothes or shoes or hats so I can look good. I look good no matter what I wear. And that is what made me realize what I'm looking for is inside of me. All I have to do is to plant the seed and let it grow and let it spread the love that I have to give all over the world. Guess what? She changed herself. She changed her attitude. Her friends sat there with sometimes her mouth open with a forkful of food in her hands and just going, oh, okay. And finally her friend said, you've blown me away, completely blown me away. She got up, she went over to her friend, she hugged her and she said, finally, you have found out that you're good enough. You do not need somebody to complete you. I'm so happy and grateful to be your friend. What do you think about that? Let's have a great day. Take care of yourself and see you on the other side of time.